So we are about to discuss house bank, right? See, this all steps completed. So I'm repeating step, set up payment method per country for payment transaction in automatic payment program. T code, remember, FBGP. So this step completed. Next step, BGP will go to. So all company codes step completed. Paying company code. Actually, this is payment method for country, right? This one. Payment method for country. This one completed. Company code completed. Payment methods in company code completed. Set up all company codes for payment transactions. All company codes completed. Set up paying company code completed. This house bank also created. Next, creation of house bank FI12. Please note down about house bank. See, already we created couple of banks. So in business, they can have many banks. They deal with many banks. The transaction, banking related transactions. Okay. Please note down about house bank. Interview question. What is house bank? Are you aware about the house bank? Please note down house bank. House bank nothing but house bank nothing but the bank house bank nothing but the bank that's determined to a specific company code. Full stop. First point, house bank nothing but the bank that's determined to a specific company code. The house bank is used for all cash related transactions, that is either payments or receipts at a company code level. The house bank is used for all cash related transactions, that is either payments or receipts at the company code level. Next point, we can define multiple house banks in a single company code. Interview question, what is, here I'm noting what is house bank. Please remember, payment vendor banks is not house bank. Okay. And second point, we can define multiple house banks in a single company code. Noted, right? Next point, each house banks can have multiple account numbers and account ID. So in specific bank, this point, please note down, each house banks can have multiple account numbers and multiple account IDs. For example, if in specific area, if you have in Bangalore Marthahalli, for example, if in Bangalore Marthahalli, you have one HDFC bank account. So in that specific bank, you can have multiple bank accounts and multiple account IDs also, you can have it. Okay. Please go to your configuration steps. Go to FA12, or else we can go to directly here house bank or define house bank. GSIN. See the T code also here you can see FI12 directly it is coming. Okay, either you can use G code directly or else FBGP you can use. There also you can select house bank. If you want, see, I'll know F512. See, normally real time also, if someone is using the same screen, it will appear locking data just for you cannot open now. Already it is open here, right? Company code note down GSIN. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. What is our house bank? SBI. We have created SBI, right? Latest one, latest bank account. SBI 200300. Okay, bank country IN. Please note down. Bank key in HUID SBI. Click on create. Bank name SBI bank. Please note down. Okay, click on continue. Double click on bank account. Click on new entries. Account ID. You can give SBI 1 current account. Number 1 SBI. Yes or no. You can give number. Currency INR. This GL account, please update this GL account. Noted, right? Till here.
Yes, sir.
Click on save. House bank. Data was saved. If you get that notification, click on no. That's it. Next step. What is next step? Creation of check lots. Okay, already we have done it. The same step. Okay, but each bank account we have each account. I mean check lots, right? So we need to maintain SBI house bank SBI. See, we have created right house bank SBI. It is coming. Account ID SBI 1. Click on change. Okay, you need to click here. Once again, create lot number. You can give any number. For example, 253 200 300, just for that specific number I'm giving. 200 300. Please note down. 400. Okay, click. Noted right till here.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Save. Okay. Set up bank determination for payment transactions. Set up bank determination. Click on bank determination. Click on position. What is the paying company code? GSIN. Enter. Select line item. Double click on rank order. Please note down till here. You noted right? GSIN. Paying company code GSIN. Click on new entries. See, you can give payment method. See, check payment. Currency. INR. Ranking order. 1. House bank. SBI. 1. We have created it already. Enter. SBI 1 does not exist. House bank SBI. Yes. Double click. Select. You are noting down, right? I mean, running notes, you have it, right? So in that running notes, meanwhile, please note down. Side heading, once again, you can either note down automatic payment program. So in house bank, please note down. In house bank, ranking order controls. So this one, in house bank, ranking order. This ranking order controls by payment method. In house bank, ranking order controls by payment method. Noted, right? Full stop. N number of ranking orders can maintain in the house bank. N number of ranking orders can maintain in house bank. N number means, see, now we are maintaining only one bank. You can maintain 2, 3, 4. You can give it many. That is the meaning. N number of ranking orders can maintain in host bank. Noted, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
No, three is missing today. Okay. Next point. To do payment for multiple invoices, to do payment for multiple invoices, APP is used for payment for multiple invoices for multiple vendors. It means bulk invoices. So APP paying for bulk invoices. It means, noted, right? To do payment for multiple invoices or bulk invoices, APP used for payment for multiple invoices or bulk invoices for multiple vendors. Next point, APP program will work based on APP program will work based on next run date. So while doing payment run, next run date must be given. That means, noted, right? APP program will next based on next run date, and also respect payment terms and due dates. APP program will work based on next run date and also respect payment terms and due dates. So payment terms also based on due dates, right? I mean, it will calculate based on payment terms and due dates. Noted, right? So payment terms also we discussed, due dates also discussed. Due dates and payment terms completely based we defined, and due dates how we calculate it is based on due dates are invoice due date. You can note down like invoice due dates based on calculation on baseline. Calculate on baseline date, that is also discussed. It's an important for interview also. Next point here, next run date means here next run date means when we are going to execute the payments compared to current payment run. Here next run date means when we are going to execute the payments compared to current payment run. Next point, because of the next run date, system will do the invoices. Because of the next run date, system will do the invoices due date comparison by using next run date. See, normally in real time payment run weekly once. Weekly once they do it every Tuesday or Wednesday based on business their requirement. Okay, this point will explain while doing payment run. Okay, next point, while comparing, system will check the below points. So these points, please note down, try to understand. While doing payment run, you will understand more about it. So system will check all the below points. What are the points? Please note down. One is payment due date. So while paying automatically, system automatically check it. Payment due date. One is payment due date because we have done the configuration, right? Based on our configuration, system will check it. While paying to vendors, one is payment due date. Second, best cash discounts based on in bracket based on payment terms or any manual reference. While comparing system, we'll check the below points. One is payment due date. Second one is best cash discount. Bracket, you can note down based on payment terms or any manual reference. Third, through APP execution, we can do payments for both customers as well as vendors. Through APP execution, we can do payments for both customers as well as vendors. If you want, still you can note down. Customers can be as vendor, vendor can be as customer. Both can possible. So for example, you are buying goods from one vendor, you can sell. It's possible to sell your finished product to that specific customer also. That is understand. You can understand this point. Say for example, you are doing business. So you are purchasing some raw material. They are not producing the finished goods. They can buy it, right? So in that situation, it can happen. Okay, next point. In APP execution, we also have, all are noting down, right? Not sleeping. At least nobody is not responding.
Writing, sir.
My writing, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
important. That's the reason. So read, write, speaking. These three for important for any. If we want to success in any situation, these three important. That's the reason. Sometimes you are reading. So while I'm telling, you are writing, and please speak also. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Fourth point, in APP execution, we also have reselection, which is used to filter the invoices based on selection parameters. In APP execution, we also have reselection, which is used to filter the invoices based on selection parameters. So we have there are a couple of options also for filtering in while doing APP run. Okay, that parameters, example invoices in bracket, document number, include or exclude. Noted, right? Invoices, example invoices, bracket document number. This one also you will see the screen, then you will understand. Invoices bracket document number include or exclude. Next point, next example, vendor controls by vendor numbers or country, etc. This point noted, right? Any
Yes, sir.
why? Because you need ready to explain in interview this all points. Okay, configuration, about configuration. See, that is the reason while doing we are configuration, that important points also. Okay, next. Ranking orders completed. Noted, right? This one, ranking orders.
Yes, sir.
Next, double click on bank accounts. Click on new entry. Note down what is our house bank. SBI. Payment method. C. Currency. You can give. It's also not mandatory field. Account ID. What is our account ID we have created? SBI 1. Bank sub account. What we created? 200 300. Right? Enter. So, okay. Next, bank accounts. We need to have sum of amount. Bank accounts. We need to have sum of amounts. Okay, double click on available amounts in next step. So available amounts, click on new entry. Click on new entry. What is our house bank? SBI. Account SBI 1. Days. 999 give it. Currency INR. Available amount just 99 give it. So based on your available balance, you need to maintain this one. Okay. Enter. Save. Bank determination. House bank determination. Noted, right, till here?
Noted, sir.
Right. So I am creating a new vendor because almost only one vendor we are using many times. I'm for a manual automatic payment program reason, I'm creating another vendor. XK01 we can use. Okay. Purchasing or account group. What we created, you remember GSLO or something we have created, right? GS local vendors. Okay. This time creating one new vendor company. Entry. Already when while doing vendor creation, you noted, if you want, you can note down reason. Anything can happen. Vendor. 01. Better you can note down the steps also, because bank data we need to maintain, because earlier for an earlier vendor we did not maintain. So better you note down this point. Using xk01 or fk01 you can create vendor. In your running notes please note down xk01, company code I have given, and group, account group, local vendor. So if you open your previous material also you can get it. uh, Please note down till here, repeated step only. Company can happen anyone, anything. Country in, okay, reason 01. Next, either you can use this next button next for going to next screen, or enter. Okay, this bank details you need to maintain. Country, in, India, bank key, SBI one only, right? Earlier what we created, SBI, SBI one, please note down. Click on bank data. What is your bank? SBI. Please note down there till there. That is click on bank name 01. If you want to give this data also, you can give. Okay, next. Click on next. Once again, click on next. So what is our reconciliation account? While creating vendor, what you have given reconciliation account? 100505 only. One double zero 500 100 505 only. Please note down. Payment method. See, payment terms. I told you, right? Payment terms you can maintain in master data management. The same time, while doing payment, manual payment or automatic payment, you can maintain payment terms also. Just I am selecting for immediate payment. So anything, any data is missing. So compare with previous creation of vendor, this vendor, any differences you identify? We are maintaining bank account here. Click on save. This vendor creation, previous screen also you have noted, right? Oh, 1 minute, last 1 minute we have, all are noted, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
saving.
Noted.
Next configuration steps we'll do tomorrow. Almost configuration steps completed. F-43 invoice posting, this is completely end user task now from here.